Okay, so we're going to do some mic tests today. And so what we're going to see is I've already started the Zoom. And right now, the preference is set at a Bose sound link. And then actually it's recording the internal microphone. Okay, so we'll make, and then we're set at high fidelity music mode. And then I'm going to actually turn the disable echo cancellation and see what happens. So I'm going to go back to the advanced mode. All right, now what I'm also going to do is I have concurrently running a Cleanfeed test as well. So now, as that's running, I'm going to do a test of the audio versus of the MacBook internal microphone versus the H4. So currently I'm running the MacBook internal microphone. So let's see what happens when we change that over to the H4 microphone. So now we're on the H4 microphone. Okay, it looks like the level is a little low. So the level right now is set at 80. So that is at 80. And then I'm going to go up to, let's say 90. And so we can see the difference between 90 and 80. Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a marker. I'm going to start recording the Cleanfeed test. So I just started recording. And then we're going to have a marker so I can compare the zoom and then without the zoom audio. Here's the marker. Okay, so I'm going to later line up the marker. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to zoom and then I'm going to mute the audio. Okay, so let's mute the audio. Okay, now the Zoom audio is muted. It's still recording, but from this point on, I'm going to use the Cleanfeed so I can compare the Cleanfeed line. Okay. I think that's all I needed. And then let's just make sure the audio, yeah, okay.